Very good afternoon to you. We are having with us Mr. Rao, and we would ask you a few questions. How has Make in India, Amrit Bharat, Vande Bharat train set, Viksit Bharat initiative by the government motivated and manufacture sector?
See, what is interesting about the Vande Bharat train, uh, it's a world-class train, there's no doubt about it. If you have traveled in it, you certainly would have appreciated the fact that riding quality is much better, the seats are better, the air conditioning, the crispness in the air is available. And what is interesting is it is almost 99% made in India. Every component, maybe the sub-suppliers could have imported a few components, especially in the electronics portion, some chips and things like that. But generally, all the major assemblies have been made in India. Brake systems, HVAC system, braking system, car body, of course, we make, the bogies, and then the propulsion system, which is basically the heart of the train, and the train management system. All these things have been designed and made in India. So train is 100% made in India. So I can proudly say, probably Vande Bharat is a living example, or the correct example of today's times of the very initiative of the government. That is completely make in India and made in India.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, sir, and all the best for the event.
Thank you very much.